Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Jumbo Josh clock from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the clock. We'll start with a large curve across the top. Then let's curve it down on both sides. And then a curve at the bottom to close it off. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw 2 circles at the top for the eyes. And then another circle inside each one on the left. And then color both of these in black. Next, let's hop underneath the eyes and let's draw a large circle. And then a smaller circle in the center. Now on top of the circle, let's draw 2 lines going up. And then close it off at the top. Now for the other hand of the clock, let's start on the left and let's draw 2 smaller angles out. And then close off the end. And that's it for the Jumbo Josh clock. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!